It's time to talk about a common concern affecting many women, PCOS and hormonal imbalances. But fret not, because today we are here to share how homeopathy can be a natural solution. First, let's understand what PCOS is. PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, a hormonal disorder that affects the reproductive system. It's characterized by hormonal imbalances, irregular periods, cysts in the ovaries, and a range of other symptoms like acne, weight gain, and hair growth. PCOS can be frustrating and impact various aspects of your life, from your menstrual cycle to your self-esteem. The hormonal imbalances in PCOS contribute to the development of the condition and its associated symptoms, affecting fertility, metabolic health, and emotional well-being. But homeopathy offers a holistic approach to address these concerns.
Homeopathy works by stimulating your body's innate ability to heal itself. It is all about restoring balance physically, mentally, and emotionally. Homeopathy works according to your unique symptoms, and we delve into your medical history to identify the precise remedies that match your needs, which can help regulate your menstrual cycle, reduce acne, and balance your hormones. But it is not just about the remedies. It is a holistic approach that emphasizes the importance of lifestyle modifications. By adopting a healthy diet, engaging in regular exercise, practicing self-care techniques, you can amplify the healing effects of homeopathy. Remember, homeopathy is not a quick fix. It is a journey of healing and transformation. Choose homeopathy and let your body find its balance.